Good morning everybody and welcome to day 3 of our Lake District holiday. Oh my gosh, how amazing was yesterday. I think that's going to be a whole separate video, so if you're watching this and you haven't seen it, check out the vlog before this one. We climbed one of the most amazing summits here in the Lake District, and it was my first ever one and it was absolutely beautiful. I'm so glad that we chose to go up there last night and the sun was setting and there was just amazing views everywhere that you looked. It was so beautiful. I'm so proud of Walter as well. He did so good. He was literally leading the whole way and like scrambling up the rocks like towards the summit. I was like, go on lads. So we had a beautiful day yesterday, a lovely dinner. Oh, the sausages were on point as well, Cumbrian sausages. Managed to pick them up from a local co-op in Keswick. Today's plans, we've woken up this morning with the best views yet out of the lodge. Like, the weather today is good, it's good all day, so we're not dictated by the weather. It's about 10 o'clock and I'm getting a bit of cabin fever. I said to Kyle today, I was like, there's no rush, we can just chill, like we've got good weather all day. But I'm just like, it's the last day, it's the last full day, like I just need to get out. So I think I'm gonna have a Google and I want to go to a farm shop where they probably sell pies and then come back, have some lunch. We're gonna settle on the walk that we're gonna do this afternoon after lunch. I can't make my mind up. I think because Cat Bells was so good, I keep looking at all the other ones that we said we were going to do, which was Binsey and Hallen Fell, and I'm like, oh no, they don't look as nice. But yesterday has really spurred me and Kyle on. It's almost made me like addicted to walking the mountains, and we have decided that we're going to do the Wainwright challenge. It's to summit all 214 Fells mountains here in the Lake District. I hope you're enjoying watching these vlogs. I hope it's inspiring you to get out there and walk in nature. There literally is no downsides to it. Like, my mental health yesterday and my physical health was on point. I felt absolutely amazing after climbing the mountain yesterday. It just made me feel incredible and I'd highly recommend it. Do it, get out there. Yeah. So this morning we have decided to come to Penrith. I had a look to see what's here and there's quite a lot, so we're gonna grab a coffee and I've already seen a butcher's that we're gonna have a look at to get some tea for later. But so far this is really cute. Just been into Canston's butchers and makers shop in Penrith High Street, so we tried to get in. They have like a big food hall farm shop just outside of Penrith and we couldn't get in there. Phoned up ahead and they wasn't dog friendly, but I knew they had a little shop here, so Kyle's just been in to get 2 pies. He's came out with 3 because there was one that he had to buy and he didn't want to not get it, he wanted to try it. And then also, whilst he was in there, me and Walter was waiting outside and they said, would you like a fresh bone for your dogs, considering he's being so good outside and waiting. So for free they've give Kyle 2 like chunks of bone. Like, I think he's really looking forward to trying them. He's never had a fresh bone before. That's really cute, the church pews outside this coffee shop. just got back to the lodge after a really nice trip to Penrith. Kyle got a new fleece from Regatta. They had a really good sale on in there. And if you ever come to the Lake District, don't worry if you haven't got everything, because there's an abundance of walk-in shops. Not even branded ones, they have like a lot of local ones as well. Walter was kindly given a massive piece of bone from the butcher's and he's dying to try it, so we're going to give it to him now, see what he thinks of it. Puppies, you're a lucky boy. What's that? What's that? Enjoy. Walt's outside enjoying that. I just wanted to show you. So these are the pies that we picked up. This is the one that Kyle wanted to get, haggis and tatty pie. So I don't know if I'll have that one tonight or not. And then got a chicken and ham pie. This is the one I went for. Steak and ale pie. Oh, so I'm gonna make me and Kyle a coffee, and then we're gonna have some lunch. We've got lasagna or ravioli today for lunch with a beef bolognese pasta sauce to go with that, bit of cheese. But first, a yummy biscuit, I think. So we have come to AIRA FORCE waterfall and Galborough Fell. We have parked in the National Trust car park, so it's very beautiful here already. We are here to do a circular route, and so far, with it being a National Trust, it's very well developed and there's lots of signs everywhere and a lot of infrastructure here. So even just to begin with, in the car park is a toilet block, and there's a tea rooms, and there's like a visitor, like an office. And I just wanted to point out as well that there's overnight parking here. So if you have a camper van, it's £10 overnight. And I was trying to look on the toilets and they don't seem to have a closing time, so they're probably open all day and all night, which is really good if you're here for early morning walk, or like us, we're probably not going to be down from this walk till after dusk, so you're safe knowing that you can use the toilets. So circular walk should take us probably about 3 hours, I think, like including stops, and hopefully we catch a glimpse of the sunset when we're up there. So yeah, I'm looking forward to showing you this walk, and it's really beautiful. So far since the start of the walk, we have been in a forest area and we're just following the signpost to the waterfall, but you might be able to hear that down there is the river, so we're definitely heading in the right direction. This seems like a really good route to take if you don't fancy climbing up a mountain and you just want to have a bit more of a relaxing walk, one where you know that the path's laid out for you. As you can see as well, they built platforms in, so this would be a good walk all year round, like all different weather conditions.
this way anyway.
Ah, we've just come to this really cute part. Just wanted to show you again, Kyle's using the All Trails app to make sure that we're headed in the right direction. Highly recommend. So we're just going to go down these steps. Ah! Oh my god! So we was just up there looking at this, and now we're standing on the bridge above it. Yeah, that is quite high actually. This is the other side of the bridge. We are now heading towards High Force and High Cascades. Look, it might be January, but I just want to get in there. All these little fairy pools surrounding it. Oh, I'm gonna go in there. Let's have a look over here. Huh? Oh, it's so cute. There you go. There they are, my boys. Water. Hello. So we're now heading to Galborough Fell, which is at the top of the tree line there. I think we should have a pretty good view of the sunset. Is there something you want? Look at this porpoise.
Action.
We've made an executive decision to turn around because it's already quite dark. Cars have got their headlights on and it'll be stupid. We've done 1/4 of the circular walk, so we're not going to go around any further. So we're just going to have a quick brew and a donut, and then we're going to head back towards the car. I hope you can hear me okay. I'm just using my phone. We've popped Walter's light up collar on, as obviously with him being brown furred, he blends into the surroundings, and when it gets dark you can't really see him all that well. and I think it should be quite a quick walk back to the car, to be honest. But it's been really lovely. We'll just finish having our cup of tea and a donut. I don't know if you can see, Kyle's got his torch on. I was going to say, I don't know if you can see how dark it is, but we definitely made the right decision to start coming down, because light visibility is very low. So just heading towards the car park. We're about 5 minutes away, so it's not too bad. Go on then, puppies. Where's Daddy's? Come on. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. We've made it back to the car park. It is dark. The moon is out. There's 2 more cars left here, but yeah, it's pretty dark. Yeah, zoom in. Bring it up a bit. Best crisps ever. It's a couple of hours later since I last spoke to you at the base of Area Force waterfall in the car park. So we made it safely back to the lodge, and now it's about 7 o'clock and Kyle's making us tea. We've got the pies that we picked up from the butcher today. We're going to have some onion gravy, some broccoli and chips. All odds and control, hey? We have a very tired Walter. A very tired Walter with a wiggly tail. Where are you going? Do you like the Lake Districts? Huh? Watching his favourite film, Secret Life of Pets. What pie did you end up going for?
Haggis.
Haggis and tatties.
Haggis and tatties.
And I've got steak and ale. I'm excited, these chips look really good. Cheers, baby. We've just settled down for the evening and we've got out Disney Uno that we picked up in Florida. So we're just playing that now and getting used to the rules because it's a little bit different to the original one. And then we've got Wreck-It Ralph on the telly. And Walter's sleeping in between us. And this will be the rest of our evening, I think. Nice chilled games night, fire on, nice drink and movie in the background. Aww. Our last cosy evening.
But we'll 100% back here because this is one of the best places I've stayed.
100%.
We get to climb mountains. So it's,
What do you think, Waltz?
it feels so cosy and homely, and I would 100% recommend this to anyone who likes that. It's worked for us, who are just 2 people who just have a dog, so it's very relaxing. I imagine it's quite busy in the summer with kids, but for us with just Walter, it's very relaxing. It's been nice to come away from.
It has, definitely.